RAG is necessary, but it's not sufficient, because decisions are not stored in documents. Most AI systems start with a simple assumption that the answer already exists somewhere in text. So retrieval becomes the foundation. We retrieve language and we generate responses from it. But in finance, that assumption breaks down. A tax return contains numbers. A bank statement contains transactions. None of these contain decisions. They only contain inputs. A decision is not retrieved. A decision is computed. And that distinction matters. Because if a system cannot compute, it cannot reason. Searching text is not thinking. It's pattern matching. Most systems today are searching for answers they don't actually understand. This is why the only safe role for an LLM in finance is explanation, not decision authority. So the real question becomes, what does an AI system look like when decisions exist before language? That requires a different architecture.